no! Gone. Spewing. Alright, we've hooked up to something. Does not feel big. Little trouty. Hey mate. Yes! In the little 6 horsepower tinny. Oh yes, that's so good. Woo! Have a look at it. Literally just turned the GoPro on and I've hooked up. Oh yes. Another good trouty, hopefully. Oh, he looks red. He looks red. There we go. They are loving this lure. Oh, that's a nice trout, that one. Oh. Oh, that is so good. Have a go at this spot. 5 minutes away from camp. Oh yeah, it's a long tail. Long. Do you want to grab its tail? No, I'll hold it. Yes. Bring it up. Yes. Spaz as soon as he hits the ground.
Yeah, what's the lure?
Yeah.
In that bucket down there, got those pliers. Around there.
It's not that big actually.
They feel big at the start, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, it's a trout.
Oh. Is he legal?
Not too sure.
Check him on there.
Yeah, I will. Slipper.
Keep him.
Yep.
I'm not gonna catch fish out.
I think it's another big sweet lip. It is. Oh yeah. Oh, the sweet lip king has arrived.